You guys would not believe what engine this is. Or what car it is. We're with Miura-san and West Side Samurai over here. This guy looks gangster as hell for a Japanese. What's up, man? So, tell me about this car. You helped build this car with Miura-san. It's supposed to be a race car, right? This is a Elise monocoque with whatever Miura-san built for this, right?
Yeah, we use this monocoque
from an Elise.
Yes,
and then built
this part. Miura-san design.
Whoa, that's cool. So all this right here bolts onto the original Lotus chassis.
Yes.
Or monocoque. And then
bottom of this part is also designed by Miura.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You guys remember Miura-san had like a crazy tube frame, this stainless steel thing from last year? Well, this is like a crazier version. He wants to time attack this actually next month?
Yes, next month we intend to
time attack Scuba?
Yes, time attack.
Whoa. And then Miura-san just told me that he wants to take this to Pikes Peak. Look at this crazy diffuser setup, dude. What? Did you make this?
Yes.
You make it?
Yeah. So big.
Wow. If you guys have never been to the Rocket Bunny factory in Kyoto, it's absolutely tiny and it's crazy that they can produce all these parts. So exhaust right here.
Yes.
And then wastegate?
Yes.
Wow. And then I heard this is a Samsonite sequential.
Yes.
Samsonite sequential?
Yes.
Dude. And they have a Super GT driver driving this thing. Again, EJ20, supposed to make how much horsepower?
Maybe 1,000.
Ooh. 1,000 horse. Suspension. Oh, aluminum.
Yes.
Interesting. Super lightweight.
Yeah.
How much in kilograms? Do you know?
Wow, I'm not sure, but super light.
Super light.
Yes.
Maybe like Miata Roadster. And then the inside right here, of course, right-hand drive, we got the Recaro RMS paddle shifter. There, paddle shifter. I don't know why it didn't autofocus. And then more aero right here. More of that Lotus monocoque. Oh, what is this?
Air suspension, tank.
Air suspension?
Yes.
Oh, shoot. Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
For going driveway, like a bump street?
Yes. Little up.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. V-mount radiator setup right here. Dude, this thing is gonna be freaking epic when they rip it. The cool thing is, people think Miura-san just builds show cars, but Miura-san is a big race car guy, huh?
Yeah.
he loves Pikes Peak. He loves racing. We just know him as a Rocket Bunny wide body guy, but dude, if you know this guy is a freaking evil genius when it comes to design and racing. So yeah, this is gonna be a full functioning car. Are you guys cutting this? No. Cutting or no?
Oh, maybe no.
Design only?
Yeah.
Oh. Looks like you could use it for brakes. And then, what do we got here? What wheel?
Walk.
Walk wheel?
Yes.
And then wheelwood brakes?
Yes.
Why wheelwood brakes?
Oh, I'm not sure, but we went to Wheelwood booth.
SEMA.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The thing with Miura-san is he loves like American stuff, so that might be a thing. But I want to order this diffuser so I can put it on my Porsche. You think it'll fit my Cayman?
Well,
You think it'll fit my Cayman? Anything fits.
too big for your Cayman.
What? Easy one. I have a Mustang diffuser.
Oh, really?
I cut.
Wow.
And the wing, so crazy. It's like modular, so they're like in little pieces. Dude, this is gonna rip crazy. Miura-san.